YouTube, what it do? We back out here, man. Yeah, I look bundled up because it is cold. Yes, it's only 40-something degrees. Yes, it went from 70 degrees to 40 degrees in the last 2 days. The weather last week was phenomenal, and now it's back cold. Had to throw a little extra more layers on, man. And like I tell people, this is how you get sick. When y'all was talking about last week in my video, my voice sounded like I was sick. Yeah, man, that's how you get sick when this weather constantly keep fluctuating like this, man. You know, 1 minute it's 60, 70 degrees, and then it's back in the 30s and 40s. So, yeah, that affects your health regardless, especially when you work in this type of weather all day. But anyway, on the Odyssey right here, this little minivan, had to take the seats out because he had some mats. He had some mats in the car that was completely under the mats. But if you look at this car, it's a little bad in the inside. I know it's an older car. It's got to be like a 2012, 2013. So you can tell it haven't been taken care of in a while. But Rennie already starting up there in front. I'm about to start back in his back. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum it and then shampoo it and get it as best we can. Like I say, the car is literally 10 years old. So, you know, sometimes some of these spots and stains don't want to come out because they never was treated. But besides that, after we're done with this interior of the car, we're gonna wash the exterior. We only got, I think, one more appointment today. I had another appointment, but I literally had to reschedule him because it was only 36 degrees this morning, so it's just warming up. So it's like 10:30, close to 11 o'clock. I'm just getting to my first stop. My next stop was literally at 11:30, 12. And I know I won't be able to get to him because it's gonna take me a while to do this interior. So he was kind enough to reschedule for tomorrow because I gotta do his neighbor's car. So I'm gonna do hers, then do his after that. And then after this, we're gonna head to the next stop. But yeah, we out here finna do this, do what we do best. We already got the vacuum, towels, the detail bucket, all the brushes on it. We already ready. Like I say, Rennie in the inside, wiping down already. You know what I mean? But besides that, we about to go in here and get it started. And that dog sound mad, man. I hope he don't come up here barking at me like that. But besides that, we're gonna go ahead and get it in, man. Detail world. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit them likes, hit them comments, and we're gonna get back with y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, YouTube. We just finished this Honda Odyssey. We completely done with the exterior and the interior of the car. Like I said, it was a little doozy, but nothing we couldn't handle. If you look at it, if you remember what it looked like previously to us doing this interior of the car, it was way dirtier than what it was. I'm sorry about the lighting, man. I did something to my camera going on YouTube. Even though I already had my settings set up, but I went on YouTube thinking I can get some better quality settings for shooting footage from my camera. But for some reason, it don't seem like it's all that great like it was at first. So I'm gonna go home and recalibrate my camera so I can get back to that status that it was. But like I said, we just finished this Honda Odyssey. It was a complete full detail in the interior, exterior, just a basic washing and things like that. But we just completed the whole car, windows, wheels, door jam, things of that nature. But they should definitely be super satisfied with the car, because like I said, if you remember what the car looked like when we first got here, it was way dirtier than what it is now. Like I said, the car came out fantastic. Like I said, you got a little damage right here, but that's nothing we can repair. But I do want to get into the leather restoration business. It's a great business to have, things like that, because a lot of people mess up their seats. But like I said, we just feeling completely done here. My next stop is probably about 30 minutes from here, so I'm gonna have to get on the road and hit there a little bit. But yeah, we finished this. Car came out great. I'm very satisfied with the work. It looked immaculate on the inside. But like always, man, y'all make sure y'all hit them subscribe buttons, man. Make sure y'all gotta do what y'all gotta do for me to get to where I need to be, so we can be there together. Peace. Yeah, YouTube, we out here, man. It's a little cold today, but we about to go ahead and work on this Audi right here. We got two cars here. We're gonna do this Audi first, and then we're gonna do this Lexus GS 460. It's really not that dirty in here. He hasn't really been moving around that much. You know, usually last time we came here, it was dog hair all in it, mud on the seats, but it's fairly clean in the inside, you know, so, you know, shouldn't take really that long to do the interior. The other car, I'm not 100% sure on what it looked like, but we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. You know what I mean? Like I say, you got all this panels and stuff to wipe down on these doors and stuff like that. So just gotta also always make sure the car and the customer, always gotta make sure the car clean, and always gotta make sure the customer is satisfied with the work. But like I say, we out here in Pleasant Grove, Tennessee. This is probably about 30 minutes from where I'm from. We gonna knock this car out right here. Like I say, it's the Audi. But we're gonna go ahead and knock it out, do what we gotta do, and I'll catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. All right, YouTube. We just finished this Audi A8 right here. Like I said, it was just a basic maintenance wash, nothing major. Interior maintenance clean. You know, we just did a basic. Didn't really take us that long. A little chilly out here today. The high supposed to be like 53, but it still feel like it's in the 40s. The interior came out perfect. Let me show you what it looked like. You know, like I said, it wasn't really dirty in the beginning, so you know that makes the job even easier than what it's supposed to be when it's not even dirty. But we've already done windows, wheels, everything completely done, like always. You know what I mean? Finna do this last car right here, but like I say, we just cleaned this Audi A8. You know what I mean? And we finna go clean that Lexus GX 460. But yeah, I'm gonna do a quick walk around real quick. Wheels nice and clean, grill nice and clean. So yeah, want everybody to hit that subscribe button, man. Leave a comment, like, share, do what y'all gotta do, man, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right, detail world, we on this last car. We about to do this Lexus GX 460. We just finished that Audi Q8. I've been saying A8, but it is actually an Audi Q8. But yeah, we about to go ahead and do this car. You know what I mean? It's just the same as the other, just a basic maintenance clean, nothing major. Randy already started over there on the other side. Randy, you got a word for the day for us today, man?
The word for the day is, it's a lot of rain in the forecast today.
It says it's a lot of rain. That's more like a sentence, but I don't know what the word is, but see, she got some coffee spills right there. And like I say, once again, it's the bad thing about these perforated seats, stuff like it gets stuck into the hose. So, but you see it right there, he's working that vacuum. We're gonna get it in. Got a little dog hair in here from the dog. So it's nothing major. Just gonna be a quick vacuum and things like that. But after we done with this car, put it in the garage, head home, and we'll be done for the day. But other than that, you know what I mean, we gonna go ahead and do a quick wash. He got a few bugs on the front. I guess he must have been on road. There's definitely no bugs in Tennessee right now with the weather, so we definitely gonna focus on that. My man Rennie over there getting it in, and we gonna finish this work, and we gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, YouTube. We just finished this Lexus GX 460. Like I said, it was just a basic maintenance wash and vac. Nothing major. Had a little dog hair in there because they just came from Florida. So like I said, they had those bugs on the front. I knew they wouldn't come from Tennessee because they'd been a little bit too cold. But we finished here. Like I say, just putting the mats up, Just did the windows, everything cleaning the interior, whole 9 yards. So, you know, we just finna finish doing what we doing, pack this up, and we don't have any more appointments for the day. I think it's approximately like 3:30, close to 4 o'clock. The weather have not been acting right today. It's been pretty chilly. It's supposed to got up to 53. Right now it's just still 46 degrees. But like I said, we finished here, man. And what I want y'all to do, man, is definitely go hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a share, and do what you gotta do. Cause like I told you, I'm gonna continue to do what I'm gonna do. And we're gonna continue bringing y'all this good content, this great content with Your Way Mobile Car Care. Stay blessed.